Effective Hammer Mill is a device used to crush various materials into smaller particles or powder. In the video, it shows the fine crushing section of the pellet production line installed by Tony for a customer. The customer uses one set Effective Hammer Mill to crush wood chips into sawdust. Tony Effective Hammer Mill adopts advanced crushing technology and optimized structural design, which can complete the crushing task of materials in a relatively short time while reducing energy consumption.